Stop typing frantically to keep up with your meeting minutes. Here is exactly how I set up an AI meeting notes taker with Krisp AI to automatically transcribe every word and completely eliminate background noise in just 3 clicks. If you are tired of missing important details while trying to listen and type at the same time, this is the only setup you need. You are going to see the exact workflow that allows me to focus entirely on the conversation while the AI handles the heavy lifting. In this video, we are going to cover 3 simple steps to revolutionize your online meetings. First, we will eliminate distractions with advanced noise cancellation. Second, we will activate the automated transcription feature. And finally, we will generate a perfectly structured meeting summary with action items. But before we do that, let us talk about the real problem you are facing right now. Every time you jump on a Zoom call, you are forced to choose between being an active participant or a dedicated stenographer. If you focus on taking accurate notes, you lose eye contact and miss the subtle nuances of the discussion. If you focus on the conversation, you end up with a messy, incomplete document that makes no sense later. This constant multitasking leads to severe meeting fatigue and dropped responsibilities. Worse yet, background noises like dogs barking or coffee shop chatter can instantly ruin your professional image during a crucial client call. You are essentially wasting your valuable cognitive energy on a task that a machine can now do flawlessly. Let us fix the audio problem first because bad audio is the fastest way to lose credibility. I'm going to turn on a simulation of a loud, busy environment right now so you can hear the chaos. Normally, speaking over this kind of background noise would force you to mute your microphone constantly. Now, I'm going to activate Krisp AI with a single click. You should notice an immediate difference. The background noise is completely gone, leaving only my voice crisp and clear. This tool acts as a virtual acoustic shield between your microphone and your meeting app. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms to distinguish human voices from environmental sounds in real time. You do not need to buy an expensive microphone or build a soundproof room. You can literally take a business call from a crowded airport without anyone on the other end noticing. There will be no more embarrassing interruptions or asking people to repeat themselves. To let you test this powerful audio filtering on your own device, the link to try Krisp AI is in the description of this video. Just click it, take a minute to install, and run it during your very next meeting. Now, let us move on to see how this AI takes incredible meeting notes. Having clear audio is great, but the real magic happens when we automate the documentation process. This is where the AI meeting notes taker with Krisp AI truly changes the way you work. Once the software is running, it silently operates in the background of your Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams calls. It captures the crystal clear audio we just talked about and begins transcribing the conversation instantly. Unlike human note-takers, the AI does not get distracted and does not miss a single syllable. It correctly identifies different speakers and structures the text logically. But a giant wall of text is not very helpful when you need quick insights. That is why the automated summarization feature is the actual game changer. As soon as you click Leave Meeting, the system processes the entire transcript. Within seconds, it generates a concise, professional summary of everything that was discussed. It automatically categorizes the information into clear sections. You get a brief overview of the meeting purpose. You get bullet points highlighting the most critical decisions made during the call. Most importantly, it extracts specific action items and assigns them to the correct individuals based on the conversation. You no longer have to spend 30 minutes after every call formatting notes and sending follow-up emails. You simply copy the generated summary, paste it into your team workspace, and move on to your next task. This allows you to be fully present during the meeting, knowing that the structural record is being handled perfectly. I know what you are probably thinking right now. You might be wondering if your sensitive company data is safe when an AI is listening to your internal calls. The answer is that privacy is built into the core architecture of this tool. The audio processing happens locally on your device, meaning your voice data is not sent to external servers for noise cancellation. The transcription data is encrypted and kept strictly confidential. Another common concern is whether the AI can handle technical jargon or complex industry terms. While no system is completely flawless, the transcription engine is highly advanced and continuously adapts to context. Even if a highly specific acronym is slightly misspelled, the overall context of the summary remains highly accurate and easy to edit. Let us quickly review what we have accomplished today. We have completely eliminated unprofessional background noise from your calls. We have automated the tedious process of transcribing conversations. We have generated structured meeting minutes with clear action items without typing a single word. By implementing this workflow, you are reclaiming hours of lost productivity every single week. You are upgrading your professional presence and ensuring that no important detail ever slips through the cracks again. This is not just about using a new app. It is about fundamentally changing how you value your time. It is time for you to start implementing this system into your own daily routine. I hope this workflow helps you achieve a much more productive workday, and I will see you in the next tutorial.